Did you know that you can literally control your body's chemistry with the food you eat? Your weight, your energy, your mood, and even your fertility are all controlled by hormones. In this video, we are going to break down the top 7 most important hormones you need to master, including the key male and female hormones, and the exact foods you need to eat to optimize them. Let's dive in. Hashtag 1 Growth Hormone. Number 1 is the fountain of youth, growth hormone. This is responsible for anti-aging and muscle repair. To boost this naturally, you need to add arginine to your diet. Foods like turkey, chicken, pumpkin seeds, and peanuts are packed with it. And here is a pro tip: try intermittent fasting. Fasting lowers insulin, which allows your growth hormone levels to skyrocket. Hashtag 2 Thyroxine. Next up at number 2 is your metabolism master, Thyroxine. If you're unexplainably gaining weight or feeling tired, your thyroid might be starving. You need 2 things: iodine and selenium. Get your iodine from seaweed or iodized salt, and get your selenium from Brazil nuts. Just 2 Brazil nuts a day is enough to activate your thyroid and speed up your metabolism. Hashtag 3 Insulin. Number 3 is the big one, insulin. This is your fat storage hormone. If insulin is high, you cannot burn fat. The secret to lowering it? Apple cider vinegar. Taking a tablespoon in water before meals can significantly reduce insulin spikes. Also, always eat your veggies first. The fiber creates a buffer that slows down sugar absorption, keeping you in fat-burning mode. Hashtag 4 Estrogen. Number 4 is for the ladies, estrogen. This hormone defines female vitality, skin health, and mood. To keep it balanced, introduce flaxseeds. They contain lignans that modulate estrogen levels. Also, don't fear healthy fats like avocados and salmon. Your body needs fat to build hormones. Finally, support your liver with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli to filter out old estrogen. Hashtag 5 Testosterone. Number 5 is the king of hormones, testosterone. While essential for men, women need it for strength too. To boost it, prioritize zinc found in oysters and pumpkin seeds, and stop throwing away egg yolks. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so you need the healthy fats in the yolk to build it. Also, get plenty of vitamin D from the sun or fatty fish to keep levels high. Hashtag 6 Cortisol. Number 6 is your stress hormone, cortisol. Chronic stress leads to belly fat, but you can fight back with magnesium. Dark chocolate and leafy greens like spinach are rich in magnesium, which calms the nervous system. You also need omega-3s from salmon or walnuts to fight the inflammation caused by stress. Eat these to calm your body and shrink your waistline. Hashtag 7 Melatonin. Finally, number 7 is your sleep hormone, melatonin. You can't be healthy without good sleep. Did you know you can eat melatonin? Tart cherries are a natural source. Drinking tart cherry juice before bed helps you sleep deeper. Also, snack on almonds. They are rich in magnesium and tryptophan, which help your muscles relax for the night. So, there you have it: growth hormone, thyroxine, insulin, estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, and melatonin. By mastering these 7, you master your health. Which of these hormones do you struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Maxinutrifacts for more science-backed nutrition tips.